So hello and welcome guys, my name is Prajwal and today we are going to see the quick overlook of Physics Wallah app, and the main is the Physics Wallah's Yakeen Batch 2.0. So we are going to take a look over the Physics Wallah's Yakeen Batch 2.0, which included 1.0 as well. So let's get started. So here you can see I am in the Physics Wallah's app, and here are all the batches going on right now in the Physics Wallah's app. So you can see that all the batches, and I have already subscribed to Yakeen Batch 2.0, and let's just open this. Wait a second, just taking some time. Okay, it's open, and here you can see all the classroom lectures available here, from the Quota Express to the PW Stars, and beside that you can see the test series. You can also see the other available features right here. So we just jump into the physics section to the PW stars, so we can see clearly what's going inside it. So let's get to inside PW stars. I just opened the PW stars, and here you can see the batches which are pre-recorded, the live lectures which are pre-recorded already. So this is the batch of the 15th October. So first I'll see you all the recorded lectures, and the main thing is Yakeen Batch. The physics is started from the basic mathematics. So here are all the basic mathematics lectures which are done live, and then it is pre-recorded inside the app. So I just see you the first lecture of the Yakeen Batch, which conducted on 24th of September. So here is the live lecture. So I just open the live lecture and you can listen.
डायरेक्ट बोलेंगे सर ये 180 दिखता है 180/290 ऐसे कर सकते हैं ऐसे कर सकते हैं और करते हैं तो कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है हमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं तुम्हें भी तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए हम भी ऐसे ही करेंगे ठीक है π/12 को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है अब कौन इतनी देर करेगा कैलकुलेशन हमारे बच्चे तो नहीं करेंगे कैलकुलेशन पीडब्ल्यू वाले बच्चे तो नहीं करेंगे वो कहेंगे सर यही तो बात है.
So this was one of the lectures conducted in the Physics Wallah's app, which conducted live on 24th of September, and which is the first lecture in the physics section of basic mathematics. So here you can see everything, the layout and the stuff, and these are the recent live lectures of physics which conducted earlier on this app. And I'm not showing the live lectures because today is holiday due to Dashera, so I'm seeing you the pre-recorded lectures. The layout is actually same as the live lecture is going on. You can actually see it offline through the pre-recording section as like it's been live. Now let's just jump into the chemistry section. So all the sections are same as like the previous. So these are the batches which conducted earlier. So I'll just open some of the batches here to see you of the chemistry. This is the DPP batch of chemistry. So I'll just open it. Now let's jump on to the lectures in the chemistry section, except this DPP. So I'll just come back and then just open some of the lectures which I pre-recorded earlier. So I'll just came back. Here you can see the biology section is also the same. So I'll make a separate video on all the live lectures instead of this seeing in this video, because I can get a copyright strike from Physics Wallah as well seeing their content in my channel. So I'll just skip this and give you the quick overview of the quota batches. Quick overview, I mean, I'm just seeing you what happens inside the batch and which type of facilities you will get while studying. So these are the Yakeen Batch. So what you can say, the quota faculty teachers is Amit Singh sir, and except the lectures you can get all more extra facilities, and you can also purchase books and study materials from the app directly. There are more also several features except the live lectures. You can get all the PDFs and all the steps of study material directly from the app. So now you can see all the batches which are conducting right now in the Physics Wallah's app. So main thing is how to purchase any badge. For example, I'll just choose one badge from here to see you how to purchase any of the badge from here. So I'll just select the Prayas badge 2, and now you can see there is the option of buy now. Just simply click on the buy now option and you can see all the payment options will come in front of you. You can pay through the phone pay, you can pay through the EMI, and you can also pay through the net banking or the UPI code. The payment options are very simple. You can easily purchase any of the batches among the Physics Wallah's app easily, and no worries about the payment options. So guys, that's it for today's video, and this was the quick overview of the Yakeen Batch 2.0 and all the Physics Wallah's app. So I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for other steps like this. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video among your friends. Let them know about the Yakeen Batch 2.0.